Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a World of Warcraft orc. So starting right here, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that goes down and then up like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw another line that goes down and then just kind of curves up like this, almost like two check marks. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down and then back up. And then inside of it, I'm going to draw another line that curves down and up. And then I'm going to draw a small circle here and I'm going to color in most of it. Then right here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves up. Draw another line here. And then just a small circle in here that I'm going to color in. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then goes around and then back up. Then I'm going to draw two little curved lines on each side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down. Then I'm going to draw a line here that goes out, up, and then down. Then I'm going to make a line that curves down and around for their little nose ring. And then starting here, I'm going to draw that same shape like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to curve these lines out and I'm going to make some little spiky lines on them. And then starting here, I'm just going to curve this up and do the same thing for some eyebrows. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve these up and draw some long pointy lines for some eyebrows that just kind of connect to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then in like this towards the nose. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, go out and then in towards the nose. Then right here on the nose, I'm just going to draw two lines that just go down. Then, starting right down here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, go up like this, and then back down like this for the bottom or for the top of the bottom lip. And then I'm going to draw some teeth. So first they have some really tall teeth like this. They're just going to go down and around. I'm going to put another one here, just going to go up, down, and then over like this and kind of curve around. Then I'm going to put two little sharp ones right here. And then I'm just going to put some smaller little ones right there. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line around. Then I'm just going to draw a line here and a line here for the face. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that goes up and down, and the same thing here. And then I'm just going to draw a few little curvy lines right there for the nose. Then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines underneath the eyes. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, going to curve up, and then back down and around like this. Then for the chin, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, curve up, down, and then back up like this. Now for the head. So starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm just going to go down and then kind of curve it around here. Then right here, I'm just going to go up with a curve, and then I'm going to come down, and then up, and then curve in, and then out right to here. Then starting over here by the eyebrows, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out like this, and then it's just going to curve down and around here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, out at an angle, and then come down and curve around here. Then for the inside, I'm going to just kind of redraw the shape on each side. And then I'll draw just a little extra curved line on here. Now they have a couple of earrings, so I'm just going to draw two curved lines, like two big smiley faces. And then I'm going to draw one right here. Now for some hair, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and just kind of comes around like this. And then they also have a beard. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw lines just going to come down, and I'm just going to make it kind of curved. And I'm just going to do this all the way around, and then just going to kind of curve up with these lines and bring it up here. Then I'm just going to add some kind of curved lines around here just to kind of make it look more like hair. Then right here, I'm going to draw two kind of curved lines. And I'm going to make some kind of spiky lines up here for some hair. And then I'm just going to draw some lines that kind of come down here like this, kind of like his hair is pulled back. Now for a few details, I'm just going to add a couple little broken lines kind of around the eyes, or excuse me, around the forehead. A couple curved lines on the eyebrows. I'm going to add a couple little details on the teeth. They have like some little rings and stuff on their teeth and little bands. And then they have a couple little rings on their lips too. And just going to add a couple little details on there. And then I'm just going to make some kind of curved lines on here for some extra detail for the hair. And there you go. There is your drawing of a World of Warcraft orc. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.